Good day mga ka-district, this is John again from Johndam District. And for today's video, quick tutorial lang tayo kung paano mag-request ng inyong PSA or birth certificate online. And syempre guys, first things that we need to do is kailangan natin pumunta sa PSA website. Once nasa website na kayo guys, click nyo lang yung order now and then choose the certificate type. Since birth certificate ang pipiliin natin, click nyo lang yung birth and then mag-accept lang kayo ng terms and condition. Scroll down and then click continue. Then sa next page lang guys, iti-select nyo lang yung my own birth certificate. Pero if kukuha kayo ng birth certificate for someone else, then i-click nyo yung for someone else. Next naman guys, is mapupunta kayo sa page na ito. And then i-click nyo lang yung continue. Pagka-click nyo ng continue, kailangan nyo i-enter yung father's name, mother's name, your birthplace, and then i-select nyo rin yung purpose ng request nyo. Bakit kailangan nyo ng birth certificate? After you guys ma-enter ang yung mother and father's name, isa-select nyo naman ngayon yung birthplace ninyo. Make sure to enter or select yung birth country, province at municipality na rin. After nun guys is pipili na kayo ng reason of your request. So sa akin guys, kailangan ko ng PSA ko for local employment, so isa-select ko local employment. Since nag-stop yung screen recording ko guys, ang next page is papapiliin na kayo kung delivery ba or for pick up. Ang sinelect ko guys, by the way, ay for delivery, kaya ang next page is yung mode of payment na. So, nagbayad ako via GCash more than 365 pesos or that's the exact amount. And then, makaka-receive din kayo ng text kung successfully nyong nabayaran. And ayun guys, ganun lang kadali. Sana lang katulong tong video sa inyo. If you have any questions, suggestion, please comment down below and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button para maging updated ka sa aking mga latest videos. So, see ya!